Well, he better make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Privy Council chances, heated discussion. The new hot topic, viewers and subscribers, what are the chances when Vybz Kartel's case is brought before the Privy Council? Freedom is a must. And let's state the facts. If a first world judge had been the judge presiding over the initial trial, the artist would have already been freed. In no first world country, very few other countries overall, have we ever seen a matter like this being handled in the way this was handled. Nobody. No forensics. Them say vice notes were the reason for the conviction. The appeal court upheld that initial conviction based on the same vice notes. However, they agreed that the phone or the phones recovered were tampered with because the experts pointed that out. But they must say no, what was recovered from it was still good. I don't know how them do that, and in no other courts internationally would evidence like that be admissible, meaning say brought into play. Them couldn't use it. A judge that said no, this cannot be used because we already point out, say everything wanna have tampered with. So we don't know what is real from what was fabricated, and there's no way you can prove that no after everything get tampered with. You can't go back now because integrity is at play. And we thought, well, some people did say the appeal court would want to uphold that same integrity of not the previous judge, who I heard is now retired, but rather of the court itself, saying that yes, something can happen, a transgression rather can take place. I'm not joking, matter. Something can happen, but we can right the wrongs. But I guess we can say what is the system will always back the system, and that is what is at play right now. And clearly we can see this. The move to take the matter to the Privy Council was always the best move, because locally it's clear we can't handle our own affairs. When certain verdicts are handed out, the nation, the citizens, the people who the courts are supposed to be there for, to protect their rights, are always saying no, we don't agree with that. Them always in disagreement with the same entity that is supposed to be protecting your rights for the country that you live in. The Privy Council is the best move, viewers and subscribers. Locally, the appeal court was the hurdle or we'd have to jump over for bring the matter to the Privy Council. And that is why them delay the matter for as long as them delay the matter for. That was clear. And when them forward back, it almost looked like them give you a rush verdict. No, do not be confused. It was not a rush verdict. A year and we are wait. As a matter of fact, we wait for about 3 months after them tell we say it was at an advanced stage. Don't make it feel like it was a rush decision. That is how it was made to appear. In fact, it was long decided that no, we would not be giving out that ruling. Some people said they didn't know. I can't know, I don't know. With a hope, say yes, integrity would be something that is of strong importance to them, and then with a try to keep that integrity strong. But I guess that was not the decision. That was not the decision. I guess the decision was to prove say the system is working and everything was alright with the initial trial. But again, citizens, so the same entity who is there to uphold the rights of citizens fall short again. And for those who are saying that we shouldn't be taking our matters to an international court because we're supposed to be can deal with one thing, then what happens if we can't deal with it? We just stand up and look now and say, alright, I saw it go. No, you're mad. The artists, Gaza Nation, the artists, supporters, we will not, I repeat, we will not surrender to forces at play at no point in time. No. It might appear or seem how it seems when it is brought here from different angles. But the move is, the appeal itself, viewers and subscribers, has not been denied because the move was always to get over the hurdle of the local courts. And I guess we can consider the appeal court as a part of local courts. So no matter how you see the move, you can't take the move to a privy council without first visiting the appeal courts locally, because you have to appeal your sentence locally before you take the thing to an international court. So that's why you have to play out the way you see it play out, and we'll continue to remind them that. But people continue to pretend like them never did hear, and they must say, they don't say the appeal say you are so, and so that means you saw it go for calm yourself. Refrain from making statements that are unfounded. Refrain. Try your best to do it. Wait upon the facts. I wait upon somebody who have the facts to deliver them to you. And then you can make a reasoning based upon the facts. But don't just speculate. Don't just speculate. Because you don't know the moves. And this is how it is played out. This is the procedure. There's no way around it. There's just like how we had to wait on the appeal courts to give the verdict. There's no way around that. You'd have to just wait. You could have send them a million letter. Them still gonna say, alright, we're at an advanced stage. You have to wait. It's proceedings. Procedure. And they have to be followed. So that was the procedure. And the procedure to take a matter in Jamaica to a privy council in England is that first, a trial has to take place. There has to be an initial verdict. That verdict now has to be appealed before an appeal court. The court has to pass their ruling, and then you can go to a higher court than that. That's how the something go. Anytime you take a matter to a higher court, it has to take place in a court that is, we don't even want to say below, but at the opposite side of that court. So that's how the something go. So don't get the reasoning twisted. Don't make some people tell you some things. But the fact of the matter is, viewers and subscribers, chances are the teacher will be freed. Yeah, man. Privy council chances, 100% sure. Freedom is a must, viewers and subscribers. I saw this something go. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know this though. Because we see this being discussed only for different circles. Do you think that in this situation, in this case in particular, it was proven that not only was there no evidence that warranted a verdict of this nature, even if you're going to give out a verdict, and also that the system will always back the system? Talk to me. What you feel? Now, my own personal opinion, it's supposed to clear. It should be extra clear. Oh, we know the appeal courts agreed with the defense team. Them say you have 2 weeks for forward back and bring so we can adjust the sentencing. Even though them know, so we plan for take it to the Privy Council. Them still feel like say alright, we agree enough way. We feel like we can do this, and where some people are discussed being released based on time served. Well, the thing with an appeal now is that during the time which you are behind bars for the appeal, that is just the appeal process. It's almost similar to being detained. So no, that will not be considered as time served. So that's something to put into perspective too as well. So when I agree that we are privy to take the matter to our privy council because of freedom we are dealing with. If they're not going to say free the teacher, them should say free the teacher from them time there. But no, them choose to make the situation play out how it play out. And the integrity of the courts now is in tatters, as them would have said. It has been tarnished. By who? The judges themselves. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, viewers and subscribers, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel and new to the movement, it does pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there as well. If you like, we drop a like on the vlog. In truth, the share icon is also there as well. Tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. You know the sentiments, and for those who don't, first and foremost, our move settings for man, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.